Hello and welcome to our quick guide to terminating your roller barrier runs using the high quality Shefal security collar end fixings. Roller barrier is a practical, simple and effective anti-climb system that consists primarily of independently rotating roller cups mounted onto a central shaft to form an unstable and unclimbable barrier. To prevent the system being compromised, each run of roller barrier must be terminated at each end to prevent the unauthorized removal of the roller cups. The Shefal security collar with its flexible end cap offers a simple and elegant solution that's quick and easy to install and delivers a smart finish for your roller barrier installation. Here's how the collar is fitted. Trim the shaft so there's no more than 25mm, which is about 1 inch in imperial measure, protruding from the last roller cup. Slip on the Shefal collar with a bevel edge pointing towards the end of the shaft. Tighten the security screw to firmly secure the collar onto the shaft. Then slip on the flexi cap. Job done, leaving a smart and professional appearance. For more help or advice, check out our website or call our friendly team on 01273 475 500. We'd love to help you.